Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curry. Today I'm going to show you a nice, delicious recipe from Mangalore. It's called the ghee roast. But I'm giving it a little twist. I'm going to make it with mutton instead of chicken. You can make it with prawns as well, but today I thought just let me make it with mutton. For that, I'm going to heat 4 tablespoons of ghee. The ghee has melted. I'm going to add 5 onions finely chopped to this. I'm going to saute these onions till they're nice and golden. So while the onions are getting sauteed, I'm going to marinate the mutton. So what I have done is, I've already boiled this mutton with little ginger, garlic and some salt. I'm going to add a cup of yogurt to this. 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder, little turmeric, a tablespoon of chili powder, garlic paste, ginger paste, and I'm going to mix this well and keep it aside till the onions have become brown. The onions have become golden. Now to this I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste again. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and I'm going to saute this till the raw smell goes off. To this I'm going to add turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix this well, and then I'm going to add ground coconut paste. I took about 5 to 6 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut and I ground it to a nice paste, and I'm going to add this to the onions. And I'm going to saute all this till the oil oozes out. The oil has separated. Now I'm going to add the marinated mutton. I'm going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see how the ghee is separating here. I'm going to add some salt as well, but very little because we had already boiled the mutton with the salt. I'm going to add some mutton stock to this, which we got when we boiled the mutton. Just a little bit, half a cup. I'm going to cover this and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to keep this on a medium flame. It's been 5 minutes since the mutton ghee roast has been cooking. Now I'm going to remove it in a serving bowl. And I'm going to garnish this with fresh curry leaves. This ghee roast goes very well as a starter in a party. You can use prawns, you can use chicken, boneless chicken of course, or chicken drumsticks as well. And you can have it as an amazing starter for a party. So do try this dish and let me know. For such interesting non-veg recipes, like, share and subscribe to Get Curried.